For all the updates, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.
Hey everyone, welcome to another summer special drinks video. In today's video, we are going to make a very authentic, desi and very famous drink from North India. That's Sattu ka Sharbat. It's a drink that's very quick and easy to make because all the ingredients are always present in an Indian kitchen, and also it is full of nutritional benefits, and also during the summers this drink is very helpful to help us fight the sun. So without any delay, let's get started. So all we need is little bit of onion, little bit of green chili, coriander, cumin powder, salt, lemon, and of course sattu, that's gram flour. It's very simple to prepare. We just need to mix all the ingredients together. So firstly I'm adding onion, then green chili, little bit of salt according to your taste, little bit of cumin seeds. Make sure that the onions are finely chopped, and then we'll be adding half a lemon juice, and then we'll be adding approx 2 tablespoons of sattu, and then we'll add chilled water in it, and then we just need to mix it very nicely that there's no lumps left, and it's ready. For garnishing, we'll just add little bit of coriander leaves, and you can serve this